Survival on a desert island in English. You ended up on a desert island. Test your knowledge of English in such a difficult situation. What do you see around? What's this? It is a stone. Stones are very heavy and hard. What's this? It is a palm tree. Palm trees are very tall and green. What's this? It is a spider. Spiders are dangerous on this island. What's this? It is a bird. Birds fly high. What's this? It is a coconut. I really love coconuts. What's this? It is lightning. Sometimes there is lightning on the island. What's this? This is the ocean. The ocean is everywhere. What's this? It is sand. I love walking on the sand. What's this? It is a stick. You can make a lot of interesting things out of sticks. What's this? It is a broken boat. Someday I'll get out on this boat, but not today. What's this? It is a bush. Bushes are everywhere. I'm hungry. What can I eat on this island? What's this? This is an apple. I eat one apple for breakfast. What's this? It is a pear. If I have pears, then I can also eat them for breakfast. What's this? It is pork. I have pigs and I eat pork every day. What's this? It is a chicken. I love chicken and I also eat it every day. What's this? It is beef. I love beef but don't eat it often. What's this? It is milk. I have cows from which I get milk and drink it. What's this? It is shrimp. I love eating shrimp. What's this? This is a fish. I catch fish and then I eat it. On this island it is very tasty. Now I can go to my house. What's this? This is a hut. I live in this hut. What's this? It is a table. I made my own table. What's this? This is a chair. I also made my own chair. What's this? This is a bed. I sleep every day on a bed that I also made myself out of planks. There is nothing else of interest in my house. Now I want to tell you about the dangers on this island. What's this? This is a lion. I am very afraid of lions, so I hide from them. What's this? These are poisonous mushrooms. I have never eaten poisonous mushrooms and never will. That's it. Now I'm going to sleep. I hope you remember all the words, and if not, then watch the video again. Bye.